How to turn on or off keyboard feedback in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sounds and haptics. Now here you can see the option keyboard feedback. Now click on keyboard feedback and here you can turn on or off your keyboard feedback by turning on this haptic button. If you want to turn on your keyboard feedback, then simply turn on this button, and if you want to turn off your keyboard feedback, then simply turn off this button. If you turn on this button while you using your keyboard, then you feel a gentle vibration, and if you turn off this button, then you cannot feel a gentle vibration while using a keyboard. So this is the way to turn on or off keyboard feedback in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.